Alright, opening kickoff. Last game of the season.
Ready? Alright, let's have a good game.
Opening kickoff.
Go get it. There you go.
There you go, Ryan.
Get back to help him out.
Make a move, buddy. Make a move.
Good job, Benjamin.
Good hustle, Ryan.
Good, keep at it.
Get out of there. You got to get it out, guys.
Oh, good shot. Good job, you guys.
Hey, look, Cody, make sure you move up with them, alright? So move up to that Cody, move up to midfield. The line. There you go. Get ready, Mark. Mark, closer to the goal, buddy. On the back side. Go get it.
Go up the field, up the field. Go Connor. Connor, you need to be up there.
Good, Cody.
Go to the center, Connor. Connor, go to the center. See, Connor, you need to get out to the center so he has someone to pass to, okay? All right, pay attention. Pay attention. Watch the ball. Watch the ball, Connor.
Who to Mark? Go for it. Good, Mark. Good, Mark.
Come on, get back, Connor. You're walking.
Take the shot, Ryan.
That's a good hustle.
Good try, Ryan.
What side are we on for that goal?
Sure.
What side do you need to be
Get
on?
ready, Ray. Good job, Cody. You get ready for them when they come back, okay? Get ready, Ray. Come on, Mark. Hit it hard.
Who to Mark? Good.
Good.
Good pass, Mark. Good job.
Ryan, let Mark take it. Good. There you go.
It's three of them.
Third time to turn.
Good.
There you go, buddy.
Good job, Ryan.
Get up the court.
Ready, Cody.
That's it.
Cody, you
Go, Connor, go.
Good, Cody.
All right, go ahead and kick it in, Connor. Kick it in, Connor.
Blue kick, Mark.
Kick it in, Connor. Kick it in, Connor. Kick it in, Connor.
Go get it, Mark.
Go, Connor.
Clear it out, Ryan. Clear it out, Ryan. Good.
That's all.
Good, Mark. Good. Take it, Ryan. Get the shot, Ryan. Get the shot.
Attack.
Roll in there. Roll in there. Hey, there we go. Good job, you guys. Good hustle. Good job, Mark. Good job, Ryan.
Come on back. Good job, Cody. That was great work.
So we're at 3 minutes.
You did. That was fantastic.
We're at 3 minutes. Danielle, we're at 3 minutes.
Okay, thank you. Cody's good, Ryan. Cody's good. Cody, a few more feet back, buddy. Go get it, Ryan.
Go, Connor. Go, Connor. Go, Connor. Go, Connor. Come on, Connor.
Good, Cody.
Go to the middle, Benjamin. Benjamin, go to the middle.
All right, Danielle. It's at 3:30.
Okay, Nico, you about ready, buddy? Next time it goes out, you're in.
Connor, watch the ball. Connor, watch the ball. Come on, Connor. Stay on it, Connor.
All right, keep we're fast, right?
There you go.
Oh, get there, Mark. Get there, Mark.
Go, Mark, go!
Oh. Good hustle, Ryan. Good job, Mark. Good hustle.
All right, Cody.
Good hustle, buddy.
There you go. Ryan, you're speaker, okay? You can dribble it up, but Nico, you're forward. You gotta go get them off.
Ryan, stay up. Ryan, stay up.
Okay, that's the net.
Mark, and Nico, you gotta pay attention.
Right here, you guys. Ball's coming in.
Ryan, you're supposed to be forward.
Don't give it to him, Matthew.
Go, Mark, go!
Run. Good job, Matthew.
Good hustle, buddy.
Here, Ryan, kick.
Hey, Matthew.
Yeah, Mark, all the way to the goal. Mark, go all the way to the goal, bud. Mark, all the way to the goal, bud. Go all the way to the goal.
Watch the ball.
There you go, Mark. There it is. Good, Mark.
Get open for him, Zach. Good job, Zach.
Good hustle, Ryan.
Hey, Matthew, you got to dribble that ball. You got to dribble it. Okay?
Mark, over there!
Zach, back up. Back up, Zach. Zach. Back up a little bit. Zach, back up.
Okay, good. Get there, Mark. Step forward, Rye. Rye, step forward.
Zach, go to the middle, Matthew. Go to the middle for him.
Dribble up. Dribble through, Rye. Get the shot. Shoot it, Rye. Just. Sorry. There you go. Hey, good job. Good hustle, you guys.
Hustle back, Mark, and Nico.
Mark, you're doing great, bud.
Get ready, Nico and Mark.
Step in there, you guys.
There you go.
Okay, you guys spread out. Mark, go to the middle. Go to the middle, Mark.
Go to the goal. Get that ball.
Get there, Mark. Fire it, Mark. Shoot it, Mark. Oh, good shot.
Good try, Mark.
Good job, you guys. Way to go to the middle. Good job, Nico. Right, step back a little bit.
Step back.
Ryan, you're sweeper, right?
Ryan, you're sweeper.
Okay.
Come on, do it. Come on.
Good job, Ryan.
So, Ryan, remember, you're sweeper. Okay, you got to stay back a little bit, okay? Good job, hustle.
Good.
But remember, if you're going to do that, you got to hustle back.
In front of the goal, okay?
Right? Okay, just remember. Go get it, Mark.
Good, Mark. Good, Nico. Get there, Nico.
Go, Mark. You got it, buddy.
Good job. Good job,
Good
guys.
hustle. Nico, ball. Stand by, blue guy.
That's your kick.
Nico, Mark. Stand by, blue.
Right, step back. Right, go to the goal. Back to the goal.
Good job.
There you go. Step.
Right, step up. Go, Nico, go.
Good, Ryan.
Get up to Mark.
Come on, Zach. Come on, Zach.
Take it to this side, Ryan. That's right. Good.
Blue ball. Blue. Blue. Good shot.
So, Mark, this way. Mark, go this way, bud. Go this way.
Get by blue guy, though.
There you go, Nico. Good job, Ryan.
Keep your eye on the ball.
There you go, Ryan. Take it, Ryan. You can get. You can shoot from distance. Shoot. You can shoot.
There you go.
Quarter.
Quarter, all right.